by those angels stripping out evil souls harshly, and those pulling out good souls gently, and those gliding through heaven swiftly,
and those taking the lead vigorously, and those conducting affairs obediently.
Consider the day when the quaking blast will come to pass, followed by a second blast. The deniers' hearts on that day will be trembling in horror, with their eyes downcast.
But now they ask mockingly, will we really be restored to our former state, even after we have been reduced to decayed bones?
Then such a return would be a total loss for us. But indeed, it will take only one mighty blast, and at once they will be above ground.
Has the story of Moses reached you, O prophet? His Lord called him in the sacred valley of Tuwa,
commanding, go to Pharaoh, for he has truly transgressed all bounds.